OpenAI just released their newest update to their ChatGPT, and I want to show you the power of this. So here we go. Hey there, how can businesses leverage artificial intelligence in their everyday business?
Businesses can leverage artificial intelligence in several impactful ways. 1. Customer service. AI chatbots can handle common customer inquiries, provide instant support, and improve customer satisfaction by being available 24/7. 2. Marketing and sales. AI can analyze.
Okay, that's great, but how can the everyday person leverage AI, the same AI I'm talking to you with?
Learning and education. AI can provide personalized learning experiences, help with homework, and offer explanations on various topics. 3. Language translation. AI can assist with translating languages, making communication easier when traveling or learning a new language. 4. Writing and editing. AI can help draft emails, write essays, and edit documents, improving clarity and grammar. 5. Health and fitness. AI-powered apps can track fitness goals.
Okay, that's great. Can you translate, I want to go to the best meat market in the Rio Grande Valley in Spanish?
I want to go to the best meat market in the Rio Grande Valley. In Spanish is Quiero ir al mejor mercado de carnes en el Valle del Rio Grande.
That's quite amazing. What else can you help me with?
2. Writing and editing. Assisting with drafting, editing, or brainstorming ideas for any type of written content. 3. Learning new skills. Providing tutorials, explanations, or tips on topics you're interested in learning. 4. Technical support. Helping.
Okay, great. Would you be able to help me study for my exam?
Absolutely. I can help you study for your exam. Let me know, and we can go over some key concepts, practice questions, or review materials together.
Great. Give me a list of all the things that you can help me out with.
I can help with a wide variety of topics and tasks, including 1. Academic support. Explaining concepts, helping with homework, and providing study tips.
So as you can tell, this new release of OpenAI's ChatGPT is quite astonishing because now you can speak with it, have conversations with it. And if you're anything like me, I like to find mentors out there, and sometimes the mentors don't have the time to give me. So recreating your mentors on OpenAI's software is quite the advantage. You see how far and how fast AI is coming, and if you leverage it now, you'll be way ahead of your competition.